What does gas furnace maintenance include? Gas furnace maintenance typically includes several tasks aimed at ensuring the furnace operates efficiently, safely, and reliably. Here are some common maintenance steps. Filter replacement. Regularly replacing the furnace filter is crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality and optimal airflow. This is usually recommended every 1-3 months, depending on the type of filter and household factors like pets and allergies. Inspecting and cleaning components. A thorough inspection and cleaning of various furnace components help prevent issues and ensure efficient operation. This may involve cleaning the blower assembly, burner, heat exchanger, and other critical parts. Checking and adjusting thermostat. Verify that the thermostat is functioning correctly and calibrated properly. This ensures accurate temperature control and prevents the furnace from overworking. Inspecting venting system. Checking the venting system for any blockages, leaks, or signs of corrosion is essential for safe operation. Proper venting prevents the buildup of harmful gases like carbon monoxide. Testing safety controls. Testing safety controls, such as the limit switch and flame sensor, helps ensure that the furnace shuts down properly in case of malfunctions, preventing potential hazards. Inspecting gas line and connections. Checking the gas line for leaks and ensuring all connections are tight helps prevent gas leaks, which can be dangerous. Lubricating moving parts. Lubricating moving parts, such as bearings and motors, reduces friction and extends the lifespan of these components. Inspecting electrical components. Checking electrical connections, wiring, and controls helps ensure the safe and proper functioning of the furnace. Checking carbon monoxide detector. Ensuring that carbon monoxide detectors are installed and functioning correctly is crucial for detecting any potential leaks of this odorless, toxic gas. Testing ignition system. Testing the ignition system pilot light or electronic ignition ensures that the furnace starts up reliably. Checking airflow. Ensuring proper airflow throughout the system is essential for efficiency and comfort. This may involve adjusting dampers or registers and ensuring that vents are unobstructed. Inspecting and cleaning ductwork. Inspecting and cleaning the ductwork helps maintain good indoor air quality and prevents issues like blockages and leaks. Inspecting insulation. Checking the insulation around the furnace and ductwork helps prevent energy loss and ensures efficient operation. Checking for carbon monoxide. Finally, testing for carbon monoxide emissions during operation is crucial for detecting any leaks and ensuring safety. Regular gas furnace maintenance not only ensures efficient operation but also helps prevent breakdowns and prolongs the lifespan of the system. It's typically recommended to have a professional HVAC technician perform annual maintenance to address these tasks thoroughly.